Today I will be teaching you how to list your property on Airbnb. Let us get started. First, you need to go to Airbnb website. You can sign up with your email if you don't have an account yet, as well as Google, Facebook, or your Apple account. If you do have an account, simply log in. To start, click on Host on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Start a new listing or list your space and press Get Started. Now, Airbnb will ask you about the type of property you want to list. First, an entire place, basically the whole apartment or house. Second is private room, which is shared space. And lastly, a shared room, where you will share it with others. Just kindly select the option that fits your property. Next is you will need to enter your property details. You will be asked to input your address, which is the location of your property, description, next up is you add your amenities and features of your property. Basically, Airbnb will ask you to specify the amenities available in your property, as you can see here. You can select Wi-Fi, TV, air conditioning, or basically you can input what your property has. You can also list any special features and kindly prepare high quality photos that will highlight your property. The next thing you need to set up is the price per night for your property. Luckily, Airbnb provides pricing suggestions based on your property's location, size, and other factors. But you can also adjust it as much as needed. For the next part, you do need to set your house rules. So you outline your property's rules. For example, there will be no smoking, no pets, check-ins, quiet hours, etc. Next, you will review and publish all the information you have provided. Make sure everything is accurate. Once ready, just click publish to make your listing live. And that is how you list your property on Airbnb. If you like this video or if you want more videos like this, click the subscribe button, don't forget the bell, and kindly like the video. See you next time.